Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in last video we learned about label in Tkinter Gui. In this video we are going to learn about button in Tkinter Gui. So let's get started. First of all, let's add icon to our GUI. To do that we have to type root.icon bitmap and then we have to put the location of the image. I have downloaded the image in this folder where my main script is. So I won't need to put any specific location for that. I have to just type the name of image. So this is the image and let's run it. As you can see, we get a tiger icon in our Tkinter GUI. So that's how you add a icon to your GUI. And let's talk about button. For button, we have button widget and it is button. Then we have to put our main window name, root, then text. So the name of our button will be, let's see, click. Then we have to place it. Let's use place. Now let's run it. As you can see, we have a click button out here, but it doesn't do anything because we haven't assigned anything for him to do. So let's assign it. For doing that, we need to create a function first. If you are familiar with Python, you know what a function is and you can simply create a function. So let's name it as button1 function. Let's see, CTION. You can name it as you want and then just let it return. Let's see what it will do. It will print I have been clicked. We run this and we press click. Oh, nothing happens because we haven't assigned this, we haven't connected this function to this button yet. So let's connect it. For doing that, we have to write command equals to function name button1. We not need to put brackets if we don't have any argument put in the function. So let's click it. As you can see, when I click it, we get I have been clicked. We click second time, we get I have been clicked. As you can see, how many times we click, it will return the same result. So that's a simple button in the Tkinter. We have also background and foreground color for it. BG equals to red, FG equals to blue. As you can see, the color changed. So let's change the function of this button. So let's make it return a label. So when we click this button, it will return a label that I have been clicked. So clicked equals to label root text equals to I have been clicked, and then we have to place it. Just say back. Now if we click it, you can see that a label appears, I have been clicked. If we click it again, you can see another label appear. And let's place it by place. x equals to 100, y equals to 200, and anchor equals to c. If we run it, you can see it here, and if we run it, you can't see any change, because the another label will appear on the same positions, because earlier we were using track and the location wasn't specified, but in this case we have specified the location, so when I click it, it will appear on this particular location only. And for button, we have also disabled function. For doing that, we have to put state equals to disabled. You can see all capital. Now you can see we can't click it because it is disabled. So let's make this button here. Bring out a label of sum of two numbers. Let's say n1 equals to 100 and 2 equals to 300. Number 1, number 2. And then what the label will show string n1 plus n2. Don't forget to put string, otherwise it will show an error because these numbers are an integer. Now if we click it, it will show 400. 100 plus 300 equals to 400. And we can still customize this. Then pg equals to black. You can see because the attack foreground is also black, you can't see anything. Now you can see 400 out here. I think that's it for creating a simple button in Tkinter. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.